Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to restore deleted post on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, I'm going to deleting a post from here, and here we can see you can restore this post from recently deleted in your activity within 30 days. So we can restore a photo from our recycle bin within 30 days. So I'm going to tapping on delete and the post has been deleted. Now let's see how to restore this. So open your Instagram profile and tap on this three line, tap on your activity, scroll down and tap on recently deleted, and now open the photo which you want to restore. Tap on three dot and tap on restore. Tap on restore, and that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.